In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Microsoft Office in 2 minutes. First, make sure you've already installed Microsoft Office on your computer. This could be Microsoft 365 or a standalone version like Office 2019 or 2021. Once it's installed, go ahead and open any Office app. Word, Excel, or PowerPoint will all work the same for activation, so choose whichever you prefer. For this walkthrough, imagine we're opening Word. When Word launches, you'll usually see a start screen with templates. Before creating a new document, look toward the top or near the middle of the window for any message bar that says something like Product Activation Required or Unlicensed Product. This is your indication that Office isn't activated yet. Now, click on the link or button that mentions activation or signing in. In many cases, you'll see an option to sign in to get the most out of Office or activate Office. Click that. Office will then open a sign-in window. Here, you'll need to sign in with the Microsoft account that's associated with your Office purchase or subscription. This could be the account you used when you bought Microsoft 365, or the one your work or school gave you. Carefully type in your email address, then select Next and enter your password. If you have two-step verification turned on, simply follow the prompts to complete that as well. After you've signed in successfully, Office usually checks your license automatically. Give it a moment. You may see a small loading message or a line that says it's looking for your subscription. As long as your account has a valid license, you should then see a confirmation that Office is activated, or the activation message bar will disappear. If you don't see a clear confirmation, another way to double-check is to go to the File menu in Word, then choose Account or Office Account, depending on your version. On this page, you should see your subscription status. If it says Product Activated or shows your Microsoft 365 subscription, you're all set. From here, you can start creating and editing documents without any restrictions or annoying activation warnings. If activation doesn't work, the most common fixes are making sure you're online, signing in with the correct Microsoft account, and verifying that your subscription is active. And that's it. By opening an Office app, signing in with the right account, and confirming your license, you can activate Microsoft Office in just a couple of minutes.